When you're using the vacuum sealer, just place it down on top. Just push it down a little bit. You don't have to jam it down really hard. When you're plunging the button, that'll actually pull it in, and you'll feel the snap back down. Usually about 10 to 15 pumps if there's not very much wine missing. You don't want to go more than about an inch, inch and a half down, otherwise you'll be sitting there pumping it a little too long. Just makes the pitch a little faster. The other thing is, if it's ever not working, the biggest reason why is when you take the two pieces apart, you'll want to let this dry out every few pitches, but also inside of the actual cork. On some of them it's a little bit easier, it depends on which ones. As you use it a lot, when we're going through 100, 200, 300 demos on the vacuum sealer, which you can do that in 2.5 hours, it loosens up. There's a ball on the inside, it's a little ball bearing. It's like a little metal BB. You need to make sure that's in the bottom of the silicone in the center, and that this is placed down on top. I always put it together this way because it lines up in the center. If that's not lined up in the center, the check valve will not work, and then when you're demoing. But don't worry, if you're ever demoing and it's not plunging right, it's not gonna leak. So what you can always do is if you go to snap it back down, you just continue on, push it down, say you're going to store it on its side. So you go through all the motions as if it is working. Sometimes you'll have a little bit of an issue. Every now and then I probably have, mine probably doesn't seal 1 out of 50, 1 out of 60 pitches.